In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install a 100% completed save game for GTA 4. Check my video description for this site link. Select the download option and wait for 30 seconds. After download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and open the GTA 4 folder. Minimize this. Just press the Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to app data, double click on roaming. 1911, open this folder, GTA 4 profile. Before drag and drop these files, you need to pack up your game progress. Just go back and copy the profile and paste it in another location to take a backup and then go inside the profile. Check my video description for Steam or Rockstar launcher version users. Navigate to this path, paste the files inside the profiles. Before doing this, back up your profiles. So your previous game progress will be in backup. And now open the window. Just drag and drop all these files inside and select replace the file in the destination. Let's close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, just get out of the house and you will see your cars and you have own home and everything unlocked. And that's how you can install the 100% completed save game for GTA 4. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.